Greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Unfortunately, this one's going to be quick, but look what's back. The cheddar wedge. I haven't had this now for quite a while. Came in for routine oil change, did the serpentine belt, and then what else? Had a problem with the airbag wire, so changed the harness out, and then that little clicking on the front end was, we thought it was a bearing. Changed that out, it was still clicking. Then looked at the axle shaft, and the axle shaft was actually, tried to get one from Lamborghini. They don't make them anymore, not planning on making them, so I had to have this one repaired. So, I mean, between that and you know, just everything else, it was delay after delay after delay. But I now have it back in time for the South Point car show. So weather is getting, I mean, if you look over there, weather is getting very nasty. So I'm gonna try to just wrap this up real quick. I'm gonna run over to the showroom because they do have a pink Ultimate. So I wanna get some footage of that. And then check this out. Ben actually gave me this little vinyl record from Lamborghini, so I'll add that. And yeah, when we get home, I'll have to get a record player out and see what's on it, because I really don't know. But that's a cool little item. So anyway, yeah, cheddar wedge looks great. I'm gonna try just to, as always, get it back home as quick as possible, get it back in the garage so that I don't have to wash it again. And then we'll have to see what it's like tomorrow morning. I mean, if it's raining, then the cheddar wedge probably isn't gonna be there, but if it's nice, then maybe so. So anyway, as always, just stay tuned.